That is a brown recluse spider. This truck's got a problem, man. A cottonmouth with a dislocated jaw. Like an ice cube on a hot piece of asphalt. Just sort of. Alright, so if you've been tuning in, you can tell we're going to try to turn this 1956 F100 Ford pickup into a sign or a marker or some way to get noticed on Highway 15 at the lot here at Freedom Wholesale. We tried to set a Magnum 500 wheels and they did not work. Right now, I've got a set of tires. These tires come off of a 56 Ford Custom Line car that was my great-grandfather's that we hope to put back on the road someday. That's another show for another time. But the tires on that car won't be part of that rebuild. They're too old to really roll down the road, but they hold air and they look cool. So we got 3 wheels at 15-inch, 5 on 5.5. We've got a set of white wall tires. We've got a set of 15-inch beauty rings. So we're getting somewhere. I did some rummaging around in the barns and I knew that we had some extra rims. So I found, this is amazing. I found one old Ford rim, stamped Ford. It's awesome. And it is a 15-inch rim, 5 on 5.5. So I'm gonna go with it. Today we're gonna take these wheels off, start working on getting those to the tire shop, get the white walls, put on the 15-inch rim. We got brown recluse spiders again. For those of you who don't know what a brown recluse spider looks like, that is a brown recluse spider. Sort of a icky grayish brown. Right here in the head, if you can look them up, they'll have a violin. Very, very nasty spider. Can cause a lot of health problems if you get bit by it. So I'd like to bite it first. Best way to go about things. Don't get bit by a brown recluse spider. Alright, see if we can get a better look at the brown recluse terror. And there it is. They are fast. When the climate is warm, they are super fast. And that sucker right there will ruin your day. Quite sure why they are camping out on this truck. I don't know if you can tell, but it's hot. Sometimes the humidity, the Gulf moisture kind of creeps up and sits on them, and you just start to melt. Yeah. Like an ice cube on a hot piece of asphalt. Just sort of. Alright, now there shouldn't be any brown recluse spiders on this wheel because we've already cleared those out. Unless there were more that were hiding. That's why it's called a brown recluse. Let's see what we got. Yeah. This truck's got a problem, man. Come have a look at it. That's another one. What in the world? And apparently it doesn't like to be filmed. Like I said before, you have to get rid of these suckers before they cause you some serious harm. Fortunately, you don't see that activity in the cavity of the truck. It's all right here in the hub. Obviously that white mess is the nastiness of a brown recluse web. And that is the brown recluse. Spider Co. to the rescue. I'm going to go ahead and leave this wheel Right now we don't have the new set to put on, and that one's not doing anything but helping this truck keep from sliding off the edge. So we're going to leave it. It's heavy. Daytona DJ 3000. Wonder how much a DJ 3000 Daytona jack weighs. Oh, I know. A lot. Right, so here's a look at our rims. We've got this one. You'll notice it's got this indentation here, right there. And it's a smooth rise up and then a dip down. And then you have these triangles. And right here should be our Ford logo. I see an oval. I'm going to jump over to this one. This one's got some very strange things going on. First off, this is about useless. Keeps our beauty rings from coming on. So, of course, there'll be all new valve stems, but what an interesting looking valve stem. Center section without the break that the first one had. Completely smooth all the way around. Same 5 lug on 5.5 inch bolt pattern. And we jump over here to our red one. I see somebody painted this. This rim is another different style. This one is the first one to have the ridges on the outside of the dome. This notch allows for a hubcap to go over. You wouldn't be able to put that same sort of center hubcap on this one or this one. But you can here. Still the proper bolt pattern. This is our 4th wheel. This is the one I found in the barn. Stamped Ford much more clearly. You can see right there. So it's a Ford truck rim. It is 15 inch, 5 on 5.5 bolt pattern. So I hope it works. So it's a very rusty rim. No, we're gonna make do the best that we can. This 4th wheel is significantly different than the other 3. So we've got to bring them together. We'll do that with the uniformity of these tires. These are the 15 inch tires. Now, they are going to be narrow. Maybe you'll notice the difference. Now, these are Ford rims. They came on this 56 two-door custom line, so it's a car. Can you tell the difference in the bolt pattern? It is still 5 lug. The hole is smaller in the center, the hub hole, and the lugs are closer. This is the 4 3/4, I believe is the measurement. So it's 5 by 4 3/4. I think. If correct me in the comments if I'm wrong on that. But it clearly won't work on this truck. If we get these tires and put them on those rims, I think we'll begin to get the look that we're after. Now, obviously, the rims, we're not going to paint them mint green unless somebody in the comments say, hey, mint green, when we take a vote. But frankly, I think we may go with red. It seems to be popular for rat rods, which that's what this will look like. We'll clean up those white wall tires. The rims will be red. We'll have the beauty rings on the outside. Then we got to do something with the lug nuts and the hubs. And then whatever lug nuts or something we can do in the center to clean it all up and make it look really, really good. So, in the process of pulling these tires up, you're going to think all I want to do is kill pests. I do like kill pests. These suckers are dangerous. Check this guy out. Just went back here. Get a good shot of that. And you see that back of that head? It's not straight, not cylinder, it's arrow shaped.
Oh, crap.
That is a dangerous snake right there. We're going to see what we can do with our shovel. I think we've eliminated the threat. I believe that is a cottonmouth with a dislocated jaw. Got enough fight in him still, doesn't he? Trust me, you don't want that sucker to be on the wrong end of you, just like you don't want to be on the wrong end of a Brown Recluse spider. So you got to eliminate. What does that have to do with dressing up a 56 F100? Occupational hazards, I guess. All right, y'all, thank you so much for tuning in and watching this episode. We've got some ideas rolling on the wheels. I'm very excited about that. I think that's going to work out well. Now, kind of clean off all the Brown Recluse residue, get those rims ready to accept these tires. Hey, thanks again for watching. Have a wonderful day. Maybe that'll fix it.